Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? I am here with an honest review of Wonder Curl, and this review is actually sponsored by Wonder Curl as well. This is my first sponsored video in 2 to 3 years. Companies don't reach out to me because they know I keep it real. But Wonder Curl actually wanted me to share my honest opinions, so I really do appreciate them and definitely support them because they support me. I did want to say that this product line is vegan for those of you who are vegan. This is a clean, no animal byproduct line, very safe to use, as well as they have little to no fragrance. This is the lightest scented products I have ever used. These are the lightest scented products I have ever used. They have little fragrance. For those of you who have sensitivities to fragrance, this is gonna work for you as well. Let's talk about the products that I used. The first product I used from them was their shampoo bar. Now listen, I don't like shampoo bars. I told the owner, Scarlett, I don't like shampoo bars because I've had really bad experiences with shampoo bars. They tend to strip my hair really badly. So I was like, girl, keep that shampoo bar away from me. But she actually still sent it out, and honestly, this is definitely the most moisturizing shampoo bar I have ever used. I'm not just saying that. So I used just a little bit. I cut a piece of it off because you don't have to go into the shower with a full shampoo bar like you do a body bar. You just need a piece of it. So I went in with just this little piece of it. And as soon as it applies to your hair, it literally lathers up quite quickly with just a few swipes. I did go in with a pre-poo before I applied this shampoo because I just wasn't sure how stripping it was going to be. Even though the owner did assure me that I wasn't going to strip my hair, I don't play with shampoos. I always use a pre-poo. But this shampoo really blew me away. I was able to detangle with it. No, it wasn't any intense detangling, but I was able to detangle with it. And when I finished shampooing my hair throughout every single section, y'all already know how I shampoo my hair, I wasn't left with my hair feeling like, hey, that is big for me. I would not consider it to be a moisturizing shampoo. It's more of a cleansing shampoo with moisturizing properties, which are completely two different things. This product will not leave your hair feeling like, hey, my hair actually felt good. All the moisture from my pre-poo was not stripped away. My hair didn't feel brittle and hard. I don't like that. So this did a pretty good job. Now let's get into their deep conditioner. This is the Restoring Hair Treatment. It's supposed to be an intense deep hair treatment to repair and strengthen hair with olive oil, tamarind oil, and avocado butter. I know some of y'all don't care about ingredients, so I'm gonna bypass all that, and I will put it down below in the description box. This product for me is more on the strengthening side, even though it says it's supposed to give you ultimate moisture. That's not what I got from this, and I have actually used this product twice. For me, this product is more of a strengthening treatment. There's ginseng in here. There's a bunch of different extracts. There's oatmeal extract. So there's things that will strengthen your hair. If your hair is weak and damaged and you need a nice strengthening boost, then this is something that you can look into. No, it does not contain any traditional proteins, so I can't call it a protein treatment, but it is in fact still a strengthening treatment. If you find that your hair is feeling soggy and limp and you need something to make those curls bounce, this is what this will do for you. I did feel that my hair was stronger. I felt that it was more fortified, but I wanted more of the moisture. The moisture is kind of what I expected from it. Based on the instructions or based on the description, this is not a moisturizing deep conditioner. At least that's not how it worked on my hair. Obviously, it will work on your hair differently. I have hair that I moisture protein balance all the time, so my hair is already in balance. But for those of you who don't, moisturize and protein balance often, then this may completely revitalize your hair. It really depends, right? But again, this leans, for me, more on the strengthening side than anything else. And it has really good extracts in here. All the ingredients in these products are pretty good. Now on to the moisturizing hair pudding. It's an ultra hydrating cream for touchably soft hair with aloe vera, shea butter, and castor oil. I use this product as a leave-in. Wonder Curl doesn't have any leave-ins in their line, and I really wish they did. For me, this doesn't have enough moisture. Is it a good styling cream? Yes. I think I did just about 12 twists or something, nothing crazy, and my hair is defined. Like, I have tons of definition. So as a styling cream, definitely gets my stamp of approval as it relates to styling my hair, but for hydration, I think I need a leave-in. Does my hair feel super dry? No, this is 2 days later since I applied it. My hair don't feel dry, but I can tell that in maybe a day or two, my hair will feel dry. And for some people, 2 to 3 days of moisture is good moisture and hydration. But I know that my hair has the propensity to have a week-long amount of moisture. So for me, this isn't a moisturizer. It's a styling cream, and it's a pretty good damn one, okay? Like, I live in the tropics. In here is very humid, and my twist out has not turned to a ball of frizz. It's not a complete afro. So I do like this as a pudding. But the next time I use it, I'm going to use it the SheRea DelSol way and layer it with a leave-in. But so far, I actually really like this. This is one of my favorite products from the line. I think Wonder Curl really wins when it comes to styling. The styling products are what I find to be products that I really, really, really like. Now for my favorite product, which is the hair butter. This is a product that you have to go out and get. Like, it looks, when you look at it, you like, now, I don't know about this because it's a very unique texture. It is similar to one of my favorite products, which y'all already know, but it's still more of a whipped icing texture. It's a very unique cream or butter. I've never seen a product like this before. It does have water in the first ingredient, so it's not a butter in the traditional sense. It does have water, so it's going to have moisture. I think that the moisture I do have in my hair comes from this. I could feel this as I applied it on my hair, and my hair just felt so good. It's a rich and thick cream to enrich your hair and seal in moisture. Y'all know that I usually have to layer my hair with oil, but I didn't apply any oil to my hair. And my hair still has luster, it still has shine, which is weird. I can still feel like a bit of oil on my hands as well. Usually, regardless of everything, I have to layer with oil because my hair is so dry and thirsty. But this did it. I love this. I don't know why people aren't talking about it. I don't know why it's not one of Wonder Curl's most popular products. I think it's really just an underrated product. This butter is phenomenal. You will definitely see me use this more on my channel. I love this. I can't wait to play with it and layer it with other products. It's going to be a time. I can't wait. I love this. I love this. If there's one product that I recommend from this line that you should definitely go out and get for Black Friday, it is the Sealing Hair Butter. It's God. It's God. It's God. It's great. It's amazing. Love this stuff. Alright, y'all. So this is my review of Wonder Curl. Definitely let me know down below if you tried Wonder Curl. And if you do, let me know your favorite Wonder Curl combination or a combination that you use with Wonder Curl products. I would love to know. If you've used this butter especially, what you use with it, girl? Let me know. Anyway, thanks again to Wonder Curl for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.